My name is Sufatuna Fasha Frani.
My name is Naura Aristiara.
My name is Raisa Kaleginata Binaya.
My name is Najila Salsabilamuti.
So let's just check it out in our article.
Teenagers get a lot of information about sex from the internet or friends, but often this information isn't accurate. Sexual education in school isn't just about biology. It helps teenagers understand their bodies, make smart decisions, and build healthy relationships.
Here are the reasons why sexual education is important. Schools give accurate information so teenagers don't rely on wrong sources. It helps reduce risky behavior. For example, countries like the Netherlands, where schools teach sexual education, have very low teenage pregnancy rates. It teaches about consent and respect, which can prevent issues like harassment and abuse.
So we have real example that can make you think highly about there is positive side in sexual education. So we can see in Sweden, where it has been mandatory part of the school curriculum since the 1950s. Swedish schools teach teenagers about reproductive health, contraception, and relationship in inclusive, non-judgmental way. As a result, Sweden has one of the lowest rates of teenage pregnancies in Europe. This example highlights how sexual education can positively impact public health.
Some people think sexual education should be handled by parents, not school. They worry that talking about things like contraception or sexual orientation might encourage teens to have sex early or go against cultural or religious beliefs. But in reality, sexual education doesn't make teens more active. Instead, it helps them make safer choices and even delays the start of sexual activity. Another issue is cultural sensitivity. In more conservative communities, topics like this can feel inappropriate or taboo. To address that, sexual education can be adjusted to respect cultural and religious values, while still focusing on important things like consent, hygiene, and reproductive health. This way, students get the knowledge they need without clashing with their community's beliefs.
Here, what surveys show: 78% of parents in the US support sexual education in school. 65% of teenagers say they trust school to give them correct information. Only 22% of schools still teach abstinence-only programs, even though they don't work well.
In conclusion, sexual education in schools helps teenagers get the right knowledge, make safe choices, and respect themselves and others. It's important to balance cultural sensitivity while still teaching the basics to support their health and future.